Today I'm gonna open the kiln, bisque firing, and we'll see what's gonna come out of it. All right. This is something that I actually made. It's a gift for my kid's pediatrician, because my son is 17 and a half, so I decided to give her a gift because that's it. He's old enough to go to a family doctor. This is one of my students made kochi. Beautiful. It says Arbel. It's a family name. Nice. By the way, this is this clay is, it's dotted clay. It looks kind of pink, but second firing it's gonna be dotted clay. So, okay. Oh, wow. These are the cups that I made. This is something that I tried to make. Like I wanted to try to use the gauge and see if I can make equal and same size cups.
Mugs.
I don't know.
This is the gauge that you use?
Yeah, that's the gauge that I use. I mean, it's okay. You have to do it like many times for, to practice. Who made this?
I made this.
You made this.
Yes.
You. I will show you.
I made this.
Beautiful. My best student. That's for damn sure. Who made this? That's one of my students. She didn't sign it, so I didn't remember. Okay, that's another one. And that's another one. And that's another one.
Wow, how many did you make? 7?
Well, my mom wanted me to make her 2 cups, mugs, so I did. That's Hadass made, one of my students, that I made. I think I made more of these. That's a dwarf. I made it. I like it.
It is cute.
It's cute. I love it. Show it again. Thank you.
Can see his eyes.
No, there is no need to see his eyes. Okay. Now. One, 2, 3, 4.
Same size.
It's the same size. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. I'm happy about it. That's a dwarf that one of my students made, kochi. I like it. That's also a dotted clay. You can actually see the little dots. They're going to come out the second firing.
Like dimples.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. That's also something that one of my students made. Hand built. I like the pattern. Nice. Okay. Next. I made it. Look at that. And that's a little tiny dwarf. It's a whole family. Isn't that beautiful?
Babushka.
It's like a babushka. Yes, it's like a little babushka. I like it. Okay. Who made this?
I made this.
Beautiful. Look at the handle. This is
is
the
a
handle.
big
This is a big handle.
And this I made too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice indeed. This I actually made it because I wanted to put but it's not, it doesn't stand. I mean, I noticed it, that it doesn't stand the way I wanted it to stand. It's I lost my English.
It can stand like this.
No, but I don't want it like that. It's for the dishes, the scrub. Oh, wow.
Very nice.
This is something that I made because we have I put the utensils on the table where we eat.
We don't see it from like that.
No, because I took it out, and it's anyways, and it was too small because it was a large mug, but I can never find teaspoons, so I decided I was gonna make something that I can put the teaspoons here and the rest of the utensils here. So I like it. Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, this is Liat made, one of my students.
Nice.
Yes. They're actually beautiful, I think. She made a large bowl this way. I don't know if you remember the large bowl that she made, and the glazing came out awful.
But she liked it.
She liked it. She liked it. She said it was beautiful, in her opinion. So I said, okay, that's what you think.
Well,
I'm not going to say anything.
a large tray.
Yeah, that I think I'm going to give to my mom. Nice. No cracks so far. I always have a problem with cracks. And it's you never see them first firing, but sometimes something happens and the glazing and everything, second firing, all of a sudden I take it out of the kiln, crack. So, but I never stop trying. Now, if you came this far, there's something that I want to tell you, all women in the United States. Yesterday, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? The 24th?
24th.
24th, Friday.
Dark day.
It was a very dark day. For me, it was a dark day for the
Humanity. For humanity.
For humanity, yes. It was a very dark day. And I mean, I used to live in America for 7 years, and it doesn't matter where you live. I mean, when I think of what's going on in the United States now, it terrifies me. And I feel bad for all women that lost their rights for their bodies. That's all I have to say. So, on that note, see you next video. Bye.